Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Tango account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tango application. You can see over here Tango application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the options like continue with Google, continue with phone. So what you have to do is simply tap on the sign up method that you would like to use. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with Google. If you also do that, you can see over here you'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the account that you want to use in order to create the Tango account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. By continuing, Google will share your name, email address and profile picture with Tango. Tap on the option agree and share. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can stay connected with Tango if you want. Simply verify your email to get the latest updates, exciting events and special offers. If not, tap on the option no thanks. Now what you have to do is enter your date of birth. Tap on the field, enter your birthday. Now what you have to do is select your birthday. First of all, select the month. Now select the day. Now select the year. Now tap on the option save birthday. Now tap on the continue option. Now you can see over here your account will easily be created. You can go ahead and set up your account if you want. So like this, you'll be able to create a Tango account. So that is how you create Tango account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.